Hello guys, my name is Kadiri. Welcome to my YouTube channel. On this video, I'm going to be showing you how to add watermark on a Microsoft Word document. So before we get started, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do well to subscribe and don't forget to hit on that bell icon so that you receive notifications whenever I post a new video. So I have a document right here on my screen in Microsoft and I want to add watermark on it. So how do we go about this? So first of all, I'm going to hover my mouse down to the ribbon right here that says design. So I'm going to click on design. So on the right end of the ribbon, we have an options there that says watermark. So I'm going to click on it, watermark. And then here are some custom made watermarks that comes with Microsoft Word. You can choose any of them if they are what you want. So I'm going to put this one for instance, and there it is. Confidential. It applies on all the pages. But what if I want to add a custom made one? I don't want this confidential. I want to add something else of my taste. So I'll go to design and then watermark, and on the bottom of the list you see custom watermark. So you click on it, and here is where you type in whatever you want to add or whatever you want as the watermark. So I'm going to remove this confidential, and let's say I'm going to use the word example. So I'm going to click on OK. But before we do that, here is where you choose your language setting. You can choose your language and then the text you want, and then the fonts. You can change the font right here. Any font you want. All fonts are in here, Microsoft fonts. And let's say we use Algerian. And then size, you can control the size to, let's say 36. And then color, you can add colors. Let's say red. This is the layout. Do you want it diagonal or horizontal? So you can select those from here. So I'm going to leave it on diagonal, and then I'm going to click on apply. So that is it right there, your watermark. Although this is a bit small, so I'm going to adjust it, make the font a little bit bigger. So I'm going to go back to custom watermark and then choose a bigger font size. I'll say 105. Let's see, I think that should be okay. And that's it right there. You can also add pictures as watermarks on Microsoft Word. So you can go back to the design, watermarks, custom watermark, and then you see these two options here. One of them says no watermark. So the first one that says no watermark is when you use it when you don't want watermarks on your document. So you can just check this and then apply settings, and then the watermark on your documents will go. And then the second option there says picture watermark. This is when you want to add pictures as your watermark. So you just simply click on it and then you select pictures here. So you click on from a file like this, select from your system. So I'm going to do that, and then let's take any of these pictures right here. So I'm going to take this, and then I'm going to click on insert, and then I'm going to click on apply, and that is it right there. The picture I chose has been set as my watermark. It will apply on all pages on the document. So that's it for this video. If you find this video helpful, be sure to give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed, and don't forget to also hit on that bell icon so that you receive notifications whenever I post a new video. Thank you, and I'll see you on the next one.